Yo friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share the recipe of luo hongua, chrysanthemum and wolfberry tea which can clear away heat and moisten the lungs. I hope you will like it. Ingredients: luo hongua, chrysanthemum, wolfberry. Add water into pot. Wash chrysanthemum and set aside. First, rinse the luo hongua with water, then separate the shell and the pulp, and break the shell into small pieces. Cut a hole with a knife and then peel it apart with your hands to separate the skin and the flesh. Pour luo hongua and chrysanthemum into pot. Cover the lid and select soup button. Wash goji berries and set aside. It's done. Let's check it out. Rich luo hongua smell. Sieve luo hongua chrysanthemum tea. Add goji berries. Let's enjoy this tea. If you buy dried chrysanthemums, it is best to wash them with running water first. This is because dried chrysanthemums are easily contaminated by dust, foreign matter and bacteria during collection, storage and transportation. Luo hongua is sweet and cool in nature and belongs to the lung and large intestine meridians. It has the effects of clearing the lungs and relieving coughs, clearing the throat, promoting fluid and quenching thirst, and moistening the intestines and relieving constipation. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day. Right. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.